All right. So according to how you saw this concert, how can you rate it on 10 on 100?
This is 120. What do you mean? No.
So do you know some random artists here in Rwanda, except from the band?
I know. Ele, man. I'm trying to look for Ele. I was told he was around, but I didn't get to meet with him. But I'm trying to figure out if tomorrow, because I'm leaving on 3rd. I'm trying to figure out if tomorrow we can link up and just vibe out and do something amazing. I know.
So is it like you wanna collaborate with him?
Yeah, sure.
Umuhanzi n'umuntu ugira challenges zitandukanye. Diamond yagombaga kuza, Rema n'amakuru yagombaga kuza, Priscilla yagombaga kuza.
So guys, rero nabibabwiye ko turacyari muri BK Arena aho umuhanzi The Band yamurikiye album, no kuvuga ngo aka kanya ndi kumwe with a superstar. Hello.
Hey mama, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Chilling. What's your name?
My name is Sonia Lola.
Sonia.
Yeah, please tell us what's your name.
My name is Otile Brown, and I'm from Kenya.
Yeah. You look very nice tonight.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, so you came here to support the band, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is it your first time here in Rwanda?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
And it's your first concert here in Rwanda?
Yeah, I will say that. It's not really my concert because I was just coming to support and just say hi to the people, you know.
So you too close with the band?
Yeah, that's my family. You know, that's my people.
All right.
I'll tell you once a story about the band. How we became good friends and how I learned that he's a very solid human being. So one day I was with him and we got involved into an accident, you know. Yeah. And so, you know, our industry back in Kenya is a little more aggressive. The paparazzi were popping up out of the bushes like with the camera, you know what I mean?
In the middle.
Yeah, and I was telling the band like, yo, let me put you in an Uber so that you can go home, you know, in a safe place. Then let me take care of all this. You know what he told me? He told me like, I'm not leaving you.
Wow.
I'm gonna stay here with you and figure this thing out.
Oh.
And from then is when I knew like he's a very solid human being. You know what I mean? So that's my brother. That's family.
All right. So according to how you saw this concert, how can you rate it on 10 on 100?
This is 120. What do you mean? No. Waswahili, let me speak a little Swahili. Waswahili wanasema kitu sitafanya ni sitakuwa mnafiki. You know, I feel like the band is amazing and it deserves more flower. You know, I feel like the industry
It's growing around him.
Yeah, and I feel like as a Rwanda artist, you might not really, from East and Central Africa, get the flowers that he deserves. Yeah. But he's an amazing, especially on stage. For me, I told him right here, I gave him his flowers. And I think he's an amazing artist and I've learned a lot. Yeah. You know, I came here to support, but you know, at the end of the day, you know, I've learned so much from how the performance is amazing. Because I love the way you guys are so into your culture, the way, you know, he arranged everything and put everything together was just top notch.
So, like, you have a collab with the band, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So, are you looking forward to do more collabs with him?
Yeah, sure. That's my brother. I don't know. Maybe even tomorrow I might hear the studio before I leave.
Right. So, do you have like multiple songs of the band that you know?
Multiple
songs, like some songs of the band, you know?
You asking me that question is weird.
I
That's
just want
undermining the God. You know, I know a lot of songs about him.
All right,
Yeah.
like, tell me like 5. Or
I don't have to tell you because you know the game you're playing. He doesn't deserve it. Hey, the boys are good.
The band is like, oh, all right.
Yeah.
So, do you know some Rwandan artists here in Rwanda, except from the band?
I know. Ele, man. I'm trying to look for Ele. I was told he was around, but I didn't get to meet with him. But I'm trying to figure out if tomorrow, because I'm leaving on 3rd. I'm trying to figure out if tomorrow we can link up and just vibe out and do something amazing. I know.
So, is it like you wanna collaborate with him?
Yeah, sure. And
Really?
he's a good producer as well. So, however, you know.
So, which one would you go for him to do you a song or like making a song together?
Both.
No, just one. Like, if he tell you like I got time, like, do you want?
Why are you so political?
Like, you can just tell me like if you meet him and he asks you like, do you want me to help you produce a song or collaborate to do? What would you go for?
Because to do a song, I'll get to sing with him, and as well, I'll get to the beat to get to produce the beat. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Appreciate you, Queen. You're amazing.
Otile ni umuntu ukomeye. Otile twahuye 2019, if I'm not mistaken. 2019, that's when we met. But we had been talking even before. Twavuganaga before for about maybe 5 years before. And you know, we've been wanting to work together, gukorana. But then 2019, that's when we linked up and we produced one of the most amazing songs in the industry y'u Rwanda. Now, igitubishyize ku ruhande, him as a person, he's a human being, ni umuntu udasanzwe. Otile kuba ari hano, ndagira mbabwize ukuri ko ari hano mu nakwita mu byitange butarimo ikiguzi icyo cyose namuhaye. Umuhanzi uri kuri Kaliba, mumbaye mukomera amashyi kuko very happy. Umuhanzi uri kuri Kaliba ya Otile, you know, literally one of the greats we have muri region yacu, and he's here to support me. And of course, nanamubwiye, listen, you cannot leave the stage without giving Abanyarwanda Dusma, one of the most beautiful songs we had in the country, you know, over the years. Otile, thank you so much. Let me take this opportunity to actually really thank you from the bottom of my heart. You came all the way with the whole team. Yabanje kumbwira ko afite bookings atandukanye, and I believe he cancelled some of them. I think he cancelled some of the bookings to actually be here. So kuko nabonye ko and by the way, I'm not going to kuve ba Diamond batabonetse. Umuhanzi ni umuntu ugira challenges zitandukanye. Diamond yagombaga kuza, Rema na Makuru yagombaga kuza, Priscilla yagombaga kuza, ni habaye ibintu bitandukanye, ariko bagiye bagira ama challenges atandukanye. Sindi bubavebe.